Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a different logo to the mobile view of your website on Squarespace. If you haven't already grabbed a copy of my Squarespace website checklist, I'll leave a link in the description box below and you can grab a copy for free. If you're designing a website on Squarespace, you can follow along with all the steps and know that you've done everything that you need to do on the back end before you launch. So in one of the previous videos, I showed you how you can upload a logo to your Squarespace website. The logo is what appears here in the top left-hand corner. If you haven't watched that video already, but you'd like to, I'll pop a link to it in the description box below. But today I want to add in a different logo for the mobile view of my website. So currently, this is my logo on desktop view. And if I toggle onto mobile view, and I can do that by clicking on the mobile phone in the top right hand corner, you'll see that the logo is exactly the same, but I want to have a different logo on the mobile view of my website. So I'm going to do that now. So to do that, you need to go back to desktop view first, click edit and hover over the header on your website and click edit site header, and then hover over the logo until the blue box appears that's called site title and logo. Click within the blue box and then click on the pencil and you'll have this pop-up that comes up, and if you scroll right down to the bottom you'll see there's an option for mobile logo image. If you click on this plus icon, you'll be able to search through the files on your computer, or you can drag and drop your file in, and I've got my file here ready to go, so I'm going to drop it in. And that's the file updated. So I'm going to click out of the pop-up, and obviously I need to see what this looks like on mobile view because it is a mobile logo. So I'm going to toggle back onto mobile view by clicking up in the top right hand corner on the mobile phone. And you can see that the logo has updated. I've changed it so it doesn't have the leaf coming out, just so it's a little bit simpler for mobile. This looks a little bit small to me, so I'll show you how to adjust the size. So to do that, you need to hover over the logo itself, and when the blue box appears, you can click and then click on the pencil that appears. And the same pop-up appears, and down at the bottom you see mobile logo height. This is a slider that you can adjust back and forth to make the logo bigger or smaller until you're happy with the size. And that looks a little bit better to me because it's a bit more readable size-wise. So I'm happy with that, and I'm going to click save. If you found this video useful, please remember to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any other Squarespace tutorials. If you haven't already got a copy of my Squarespace website checklist, you can grab a copy in the description box below. It's free to download and it's really handy if you're building a Squarespace website because you can follow along with all the steps and know that you've done everything on the back end before you launch. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.